I can only imagine how this must have affected a gentle, pure soul coming to Earth for the first time, whose only desire was to help people. This would have been totally unexpected for a soul coming directly from a place of divine and unselfish love, the place of the shimmering. When you come down, are you in a physical body?
Oh yes, because you have to be. You have to have a body down here. And they do things to the body, and the body is dense, heavy like lead.
It's not comfortable, but you chose to enter the body so you could do a job. Is that correct?
Yes, I forgot for a minute. It's to tell people about the shimmering. I'll tell you what it is. It's the poor people on Earth that have been cut off from this. It's so dense here with fear. Our job is to dissipate the fear and really connect them to the shimmering, where they came from, and the possibilities vary because the shimmering can be lowered to be manifest. But it is not as easy as I thought, because I've had no limitations. No, I didn't. They whisper it in the wind. It is whispered off, but you don't know, do you? So the question arises, how do we do it? How do I finish what I've come to do? How? I'm searching for an answer. Sometimes I feel, what is the point? There's no good.
But you know they're not all like that. There are some who will listen.
It's not them you have to deal with. They too come from the shimmering. They work. It's those, so many who have forgotten where they came from. Their link and their power and their beauty, it's so heavy that you forget.
Is there any way to help them remember?
This is what I'm here for. I'm searching. I think I failed. Call down more shimmerings. Call down more shimmerings so the energy is building. It is happening now. More light and more recording.
What do you mean, recording?
More were called in.
What about the ones who are already here on Earth? Are they able to do these things?
They are shimmering here as people.
So you mean they've all forgotten?
I think it's more me. I think I've forgotten. I would have hoped not, but yes, it's definitely me, because there are many others I can see now, many others doing their work. Many have forgotten, many have not. I'm one of them, and I feel I haven't come up to scratch. I haven't succeeded.
But you know when you get into the physical body, things are different.
Not for some people, for me.
When you're in a physical body, you start living the life of any physical person.
Apparently so, much to my sorrow.
Do you think there's a way to bring the memories back to this body you're speaking through?
That would be my dearest wish.
Are you aware you are speaking through a physical body?
Yes, and it's in pain.
Why is the body in pain?
Sorrow. It's just complete sorrow from having forgotten the job it came to do. Complete sorrow.
The SC said the sorrow was because Hope was not doing what she came to do. She had forgotten, and this was causing the pain in her body. I talked to it about returning the body to complete balance and harmony so she could do her job. I said, she doesn't know consciously that she has stopped the process.
No, she's pretty smart. She's got a fair idea. She's getting there.
There was also a lot of fear originating from the past lives when she had been brutally hurt.
There are layers and layers and layers of lifetimes of ridicule, pain, humiliation.
Why did she choose to have lifetimes of pain and humiliation?
For the cause. Forgot the use of the energy, which is lost upon the planet. I think she's allowing others to stop her.
Who are the others that she's allowing to stop her?
I think the church and this God and this everything piled up on top of her. It's very high all on top of her stopping her. They're books. They're only books of incorrect knowledge. They're only words.
We can just throw them away. She doesn't need them anymore. I did a lot of work having her visualize removing the books and layers and throwing them away. Also, many suggestions to get her confidence back because nothing would happen to her in this lifetime if she chose to speak her mind. It all related to the past lives and had nothing to do with the present one.